Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly. Hi, if you're new, happy Wednesday. I hope you're having a fantastic week so far. I am seriously so excited because the last few Wednesdays I have been uploading small business like little hauls or unboxing, just sharing small businesses with you guys, and it's been so much fun. You guys seem to really enjoy it, and if you guys have been, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up so I know to keep doing them. I'll insert a card in case you guys want to check out the previous videos if you haven't already, but I seriously am having so much fun with it, and I love shopping small businesses. I think it's so much fun, and then you can also get really fun unique pieces just because not everyone's shopping from the same small businesses, which I love having one-of-a-kind pieces. And today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a Cora's Den. I will insert her Instagram handle on the screen, and I will also have it linked down below in the description box in case you guys want to check it out. So she reached out to me and I'm super excited to be a brand ambassador for them. So I'm part of like the pink team, and I have a discount code which I'll put on the screen for you guys as well, which is super exciting, and I'm super excited to do this little unboxing. So she has a lot of preppy like monogram pieces, but also earrings and just like really fun colorful items that I think you guys will really like. So again, it's linked down below. But before we get started, if you haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button so you can get notified the next time I upload. But we're just gonna get right into it. So it came in this cute little white box, and I did slice it open, and it has a bunch of like this little confetti stuff inside of it, and then little pink baggies. I am like obsessed. I love pink. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then a green little baggie. 6 things to share with you guys. It's gonna be so much fun. I think we should start with the green one. So this is what it looks like. It is a pair of earrings. I love these little baggies. The packaging is so cute. So these are part of their St. Patrick's Day collection. So they're little shamrocks. They're gold, and they have this like really pretty gold thing on the top, and then the back of them, they're just like little post earrings. Super cute. I feel like I need to do like a little try on like I did with the other earrings that I recently got. Oh my gosh, you guys, they're so light, but this is what the inside of them looks like. So they're just kind of like that. Take my earring out. I feel like the try on helps so you can kind of see like what they look like on, but also how heavy they are and everything. Oh my gosh, these are so fun. I don't know, do you guys celebrate St. Patrick's Day? Let me know in the comments down below. They're not heavy at all. Like, this is kind of like a plasticky, but it's like one of those really lightweight plastics. I think they're super cute. Definitely very bold, but very festive and fun for St. Patrick's Day. And the packaging is so cute because look, it has like little stripes underneath where the earring was. That is seriously so cute. All right, and then the next pair, these are probably my favorite, are these little pink earrings, and it came with this little pink bag. Super cute. There we go. So they're just like these little pink acrylic, that's the word, acrylic, like plasticky, and they have gold hardware and these little sparkly studs, and then her brand logo is on here as well, and that's what the back of the post looks like. So we'll try these on. They're so cute. Ooh, it's so sparkly. Oh my gosh, these are so comf. Oh my gosh, these are definitely a new favorite and perfect for the 45 days of pink, which if you guys haven't heard, the 45 days of pink is still going on. If you use my hashtag 45 days of pink over on Instagram and tag me at Kellyprepster, I will be reposting on my story. But these are so cute and so fun, and talk about perfect for Valentine's Day as well. Love these. I feel like these could be worn all year round as well. And then these are for the lily lovers. I think these are so cute. You guys might see the little splash of lily on them. So they're like a Lily Pulitzer stud with a big pearl on the bottom. She's got her logo on here, and then on the back of it, it says, "Thanks for shopping small." Seriously, so cute. Okay. Oh my gosh, these are so preppy. So cute. I love the dangly pearl. I really am branching out this year by wearing so many dangly earrings, but these are so stinking cute. Then we got 2 more pairs of earrings, and then I'm gonna save my favorite thing for the end. So the next one is this pair of flamingo earrings. I feel like this is so fun, especially I asked you guys over on Instagram. I did a poll last week of what your favorite animal is, and a lot of you guys said flamingos, so this would be perfect for you. They're little acrylic pink flamingos with this big sparkly ball on top. I love this flower detail, so cute. And in the back it's just like little stud earrings again. Try it on. These are so fun. I feel like I need like a flamingo print like lily dress or kind of like a summertime day to wear these, but so cute and such a statement, especially if you love flamingos. And then the last set of earrings are part of her Valentine's Day collection, and they're so cute. So they're like the little pink candy hearts, and they have like pink sparkles on the top, and they just say sweetheart. So we're gonna open them up. This is seriously so cute. And I love these so much. Talk about perfect for Valentine's Day, especially like if you just need a statement earring, if you're just wearing like a solid color top or like a dress. I think these would go with anything, and they're so lightweight and so cute. I always joke about how my aesthetics like pink and little hearts, and these just fit it perfectly because they even have a little splash of sparkles on them. The sparkles are so pretty. Like I want to show you guys a little close up. Pretty and like bedazzled on there. I'm pretty sure these are all handmade, which is seriously so cool, and talk about so much talent. And then the last thing I want to share with you guys is by far my favorite piece, and it is a monogrammed necklace. It's so pretty. We'll open it up real quick. I love this one. It's gold. I love gold jewelry. So it's kind of like a thicker necklace, but it's so pretty and kind of like mirrored. And then the back of it just says thank you with like a little sticker. I'll open this up. Oh my gosh, I love it. Like talk about the perfect monogram necklace. We'll try it on too. It doesn't really fit with my collar for this shirt, but super cute. Oh my gosh, it's like the perfect length too. I would say this is like the biggest monogram necklace I own, but I love it. I'm gonna be wearing this a ton. It's so pretty and so shiny, and I think you can get these in a ton of different colors, and I think they also have them in like Lily Pulitzer prints as the background too, which is so cool. So I will have Cora's Den linked down below in case you guys want to shop. I do have a discount code. Be sure to check out her Instagram and website. It really is so much fun supporting small businesses, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you guys did, and if you haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button down below so you can get notified the next time I upload. And hopefully, fingers crossed, next Wednesday I'll have another Etsy shop to share with you guys, and I hope you guys have been enjoying this series. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye guys!